Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're new to my channel, this is literally the weirdest video you could have clicked on. But anyways, welcome all the same. So it's currently kind of late at night, but I just impulsively decided to film just like a real and raw conversation with you guys. I got inspiration to do this from one of my YouTube friends, Gavin. I wanted to just like give you guys like a mental health update, just like catch up with you guys, because I feel like I don't necessarily tell you guys about my personal life in my videos. I kind of just like talk about the topic, talk about how I'm being productive and like whatever. And I feel like there's a lot of talk on social media to be like, be yourself, but I feel like when people say that, they're talking about like your energetic self, your happy self, your favorite version of yourself. They're not referring to your like chill version of yourself where you're kind of just like a normal teenager that has mood swings, that isn't like completely positive all the time. And I know for a fact that this video will not do well. Like, I'm fully self-aware about that. This isn't the type of video to like go viral or get a ton of views. I've recently realized like how caught up in like views I've been recently, and like how caught up I'm like stressed about how a video will perform. So I'm physically forcing myself to film, edit, and upload this video to prove to myself that like it doesn't matter, that I'm gonna film whatever I want, and hopefully it'll work out for me. Recently, I've been like thinking a lot about like the whole mental health aspect of being a YouTuber. I've been a YouTuber for like 5 years now, over 5 years, which is kind of crazy to think about because I'm just 16, so like that's like 1/3 of my life dedicated to this channel online. I don't even know, like it's so much to think about. Like, I know I'm being really dramatic, but like I swear I have a quarter life crisis every time I think about it. Or it's not even quarter life, it's like a sixth life, like 1/6 of your life crisis. Anyways, the point is, there's so many pros and cons of being a YouTuber and how it affects your mental health. I believe in this wholeheartedly. Social media is an easy job, but when I say it's an easy job, it's an easy like physical job, okay? Like, it does not take that much effort to like quickly upload a video. I am not exerting myself, like it's really not that hard. But mentally, I feel like being a YouTuber is so hard. Like, it's so hard on your mental health, because when you think about it, like your literal personality is what defines your success. Being a celebrity or being a YouTuber, being an influencer, I hate that word, but anyways,
being an influencer,
you are your brand. Like, you as a person, you gotta brand yourself, brand your reputation. How you make money on being a YouTuber is not necessarily by how hard you work, it's by how much people like you at that given time. Another thing about YouTube that is really hard for me to grasp is how unstable it is and how unknown it is. Like, if you can never count on it. You can literally spend 20 million hours editing a video. Like, I spent like 30 hours editing a video once and get like pennies for money. Or my most viewed video that made me like over $1,000, I spent like 1 to 2 hours on, maybe 3 hours tops, okay? So like, when you look at that and people see that, they're like, dang, YouTubers really don't do that much. Which, like, you're not wrong.
You're not wrong.
But here's the thing. I just feel like society teaches you, my family's taught me that like the harder you work, the more success will come your way. Like, hard work pays off. That's what I've been told my entire life. That's not necessarily the case with YouTube, you know? Like, it's so unpredictable.
Hi, I'm editing this video and I just wanted to like say one more thing about this topic. Being a YouTuber, I feel like not only do you let the numbers define you, like the subscribers, the views, but it's unlike any other job in the way that it's so public for other people to see how you're doing. For example, at school, when you get bad grades, no one's gonna necessarily know you got a bad grade besides your teachers, maybe your parents, maybe a couple close friends that you tell. But other than that, like, that's your private information. You can tell people you got a bad grade, but you don't have to. But with YouTube, you getting a bad grade is like a video not performing good, you becoming irrelevant, like all of these things. It's completely available to the public. Anyone can look at it whenever they want. So like, just that aspect of it is you feel more pressure because it's like having your grades posted on the classroom door and everyone can just look at your grades. That's how I kind of view it. And so it like adds an extra layer of pressure to it. Anyways, that's all I'm gonna say.
But on the other side, I really love YouTube. It's such a creative outlet. I love being creative. I love editing. Like, editing is genuinely so much fun when it's not stressful, which is like only like 20% of the time. But like, I do it to myself, okay? I know this video is like all over the place, but hopefully I'm making sense. Another thing I wanted to talk about. That's just like a lot of commitment, but that's completely, let's not get into your commitment issues, Cassie. Basically, to sum up this video, because it's almost midnight and I'm exhausted and all my brain cells are evaporated, I want to be more real in 2022. I want to show you guys more of the ups and downs. I don't want to give up. I want to focus less on views this year and focus more on just like creating good content and let the good content speak for itself. I don't want to be chasing views. I want to be chasing good content, which sounds so cheesy. That's it for this video. I've been rambling for way too much, but I love you all to the moon and back. Thank you for sticking around. I appreciate you more than you know, and I'm very grateful for each and every one of you and your love and support. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. You guys are amazing. Love you. Bye. Adios, amigos.